Hi there. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Did you do the homework from the last episode? I hope so. That is great practice. Believe me. Today, guess who will tell the story? Yes, it's Daniel. This time, he will describe his typical day at work. From morning to evening. Listen slowly. You can repeat after him. Let's begin. Before the story, let's learn 4 words. Word 1. Stand up. Stand up. A stand-up is a short meeting with the team, usually in the morning. For example, we have a stand-up every day at 9. We have a stand-up every day at 9. Word 2. Review. Review. A review means to look at something carefully and give feedback. For example, my manager will review my design today. My manager will review my design today. Word 3. Approve. Approve. Approve means to say yes, this is good. You can continue. For example, the client approved the new design. The client approved the new design. Word 4. Present. Present. Present means to show something to other people and explain it. For example, I present my work every Friday. I present my work every Friday. Good. Now let's listen to Daniel. Hello. Today I want to describe my typical day. What do I do? From morning to evening. Let me explain. My day starts at 9 o'clock. First, I have a stand-up with my team. It is a short meeting. Only 15 minutes. Everyone talks about their work. I say what I did yesterday and what I will do today. After the stand-up, I open Figma. Figma is a design tool. I use it every day. I design screens for our app. I think about the user. What do they need? I create layouts, and I plan how everything works together. This is the biggest part of my day. In the afternoon, I have a review with the developer. We look at my design together. He asks questions. I answer them. Sometimes, my manager leaves comments on my work. I read them and make small changes. On Fridays, I present my work to the whole team. They look at my screens and approve them. So, that's how my Friday went. Now let's look at 3 important phrases from the story. Phrase 1. My day starts at 9 o'clock. My day starts at 9 o'clock. Phrase 2. This is the biggest part of my day. This is the biggest part of my day. Phrase 3. They look at my screens and approve them. They look at my screens and approve them. Now it is your turn. Listen to the sentence, then repeat it out loud. Ready? Sentence 1. I open Figma every day. I open Figma every day. Sentence 2. He asks questions and I answer them. He asks questions and I answer them. Sentence 3. I present my work to the whole team. I present my work to the whole team. Sentence 4. Then my day is finished. Then my day is finished. Well done. You are doing great. That was Daniel's story. Your homework is simple. Think about your own typical day. What do you do? From morning to evening, try to describe 3 steps in English. First, then, after that. That's all. Great job today. I'll see you in the next episode.